This fruit that I'm holding right here is called a rambutan. Today I want to share with you 2 methods on how to cut open and eat a rambutan, as well as 5 viral recipes that I've made with this fruit. So rambutan is a really common fruit that you can find in Southeast Asia, and it is red and hairy, although you can also get it in a yellow variety, although here in Malaysia it's more common to see the red one. For those of us that are from the tropics, it's actually quite abundant, especially when it's in season. One of the most popular ways to open these fruit is to just use your fingers. Dig your nails in like that, and then peel it like this. Super easy. The next way I'm going to show you is with a knife. And lastly, this is a super easy way to open it. You can just cut it so you don't have to dig your nails in and then open it like that. Oops. Super easy. Show you again. This is actually my preferred method because you just don't end up with, all the dirt underneath your nails. And it just pops out pretty easily like that. The first recipe that I'm going to share is a rambutan jam, which has gone very viral on my Instagram. Today we're making a rambutan jam. I don't want to ruin my nails, so I'm going to use a knife. Taste test time. The second recipe is a rambutan ice cream recipe, which is dairy-free, so it's like a healthier alternative ice cream. Today we're making a dairy-free rambutan ice cream. Ooh, looks good. The third recipe is a rambutan jelly or a rambutan pudding. Today we're making a rambutan pudding. The fourth recipe that I want to share with you for this rambutan is a rambutan smoothie. Today we're going to be making a rambutan smoothie. It's a little bit more like a juice than a smoothie, but it is deliciously sweet and hydrating thanks to the coconut water. It's like nature's version of 100+. And the last recipe that I'm going to share is a frozen rambutan cheesecake. Today we're making a rambutan ice cream cake.